In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Rabbithole Subscription. Let's walk through the process from opening the app to completing your payment, keeping everything simple and stress-free. Start by opening your Rabbithole app on your device. It helps to have a stable internet connection and the latest version of the app installed so the checkout screens load correctly. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're logging into the account where you want the subscription to be active. If you've recently changed devices, you may be asked to verify your identity before continuing. Once you're in, look for the menu bar. Depending on your device, you'll typically see it as a navigation bar at the bottom or a menu icon at the top. Tap it to reveal more options related to your profile and settings. Find and tap subscribe now. This will take you to the subscription section. You might also see a banner or card promoting the subscription on the home or profile screen. Either route gets you to the same place. Here, choose the plan that fits your needs. You'll generally see options like monthly or annual. Take a moment to compare pricing, any trial offers, and renewal terms. Check the plan description for exactly what's included and whether taxes are added at checkout in your region. Tap Continue to review your selection. You'll see a summary of the plan and the amount you'll be charged. Now, choose your payment option. You can typically select a saved card, add a new card, or use an available wallet or app store billing method. Make sure the currency and billing country look correct before proceeding. Tap Continue to move to the confirmation screen. This is a good time to double check the plan, billing interval, and total. When you're ready, tap Make Payment. The app will prepare your secure checkout and may prompt you for an additional verification step. Enter your password when asked. This could be your account password or an authentication prompt from your payment provider to keep the transaction secure. If prompted next, enter your card details and click Done. Carefully input the card number, expiration date, and security code and ensure the billing name and address match your bank records. You can choose whether to save the card for future renewals. The payment will process and you should see a success message. You'll now have access to your subscription benefits and a receipt or confirmation may arrive by email. You can manage or change your plan anytime from the same menu area. That's it. Your Rabbithole subscription is now active.